Freshly picked assorted salad greens tossed with radicchio and fennel, cuddling plums gently tossed in a honey ginger dressing. Oh my goodness, this is pretty. Yup, today it's our pretty plum salad. This salad is so easy to make, there is nothing complicated about it, but the thing we're really over the moon about, well, it's so pretty and it's pretty tasty too. There are 3 things we're gonna look at today to make this very delicious salad. Let's start with number 1, we're gonna make a really tangy dressing. Snap off a knob of fresh ginger, maybe about an inch in length. We're gonna cut or peel off the skin. If you have a microplane or grater handy, run the ginger across it. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Drop it into the canister of an immersion blender along with half a cup of canola oil, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of honey, 1 garlic clove chopped, a 1/4 cup white balsamic vinegar, and 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Zip it up and make sure you blend that garlic and ginger. Honey ginger dressing is done. Next up, prepping the fennel, garden greens, and radicchio. We're gonna run half a head of fennel on a vegetable mandolin, and we're looking for very thin, almost paper thin shavings. They go into a medium-sized salad bowl. Fresh greens, today I'm using a small head each of Boston, curly, and red leaf lettuces. They've been washed and now I'm thinly ripping them into small bits. Add the greens in with the fennel. Lastly, half a head of radicchio, thinly sliced. I love the bright red color. It goes into the bowl. We're gonna give this colorful mix a gentle toss. Dressing and salad greens are done, check. Now it's time for the pretty part of this salad, onto plums. We gave 3 plums a rinse. We're slicing them in half, discard the stones, and then slice them thinly. This is a great color and they're tangy and their sweet juiciness is so perfect in this salad. Place the sliced plums into a small bowl and then spoon 2 tablespoons of the dressing on. We're gonna toss them lightly. And just like that, it's time to serve. Drizzle maybe 3 tablespoons of the dressing onto the greens, fennel, and radicchio. Not too much, this needs to be lightly dressed. We're gonna toss everything together lightly, then transfer to 4 salad plates. Next, we're gonna tuck in the dressed and very pretty plums. Look how gorgeous this is. And 3 little things right at the end to make your taste buds jump for joy. A sprinkle of freshly cracked black pepper adds a bit of spiciness. A sprinkle of sea salt flakes gives the salad some crunch and wow. And then the tiniest bit of fresh chopped mint, refreshing and so fragrant too, ready to dig in, but not before I remind you. Full recipe is up at Weekend at the Cottage. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel, subscribe to that as well. And then finally, take a picture of your pretty plum salad. When you do, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag Weekend at the Cottage on Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. This pretty plum salad is a beautiful thing. And it's pretty tasty too. Enjoy.